Okay, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up different sidebars on your website. Uh, as you can see, this particular page has a sidebar of a gallery and a couple of links to your other programs or programs. I'm going to show you how to set up a bunch of different sidebars. If you want to have a different sidebar for every page or a different sidebar for every section, you can set up your own sidebars and assign them to specific pages or specific displays or specific posts. So first thing you need to do, as usual, is log into your control panel. You're going to come down to FP main, open that up, and click on sidebar. This is a list of all the sidebars you currently have on your website. Um, if you want to make a new sidebar, it's extremely simple. You just click on add new sidebar, and you name the sidebar whatever you want to add it. I'll just put test sidebar. You can't put any spaces, so even if you try to put a space, as you'll see, the program automatically deletes the space. So you put that in there and click Save Changes, and you got a new test sidebar. Now, to make changes to this test sidebar, once you make that sidebar, it's going to go into your widget area automatically. So you see we made the test sidebar. We're going to go over here down to where you see Appearance, and you're going to click on the widgets. Um, there is a specific tutorial about widgets, how to use them and what they are, so check that tutorial out and you'll get a little more information on that. But this is specifically on your sidebar, telling you how to use your sidebar. So as you can see, the new sidebar is in there, the test sidebar. You'll drop that open, and then you just drag whatever particular widget you want to into that sidebar, however many you want. Drag them in there, do what you want with them with the sidebar, and click Save. So now that test sidebar has an RSS feed and it has a text in there. I'll just put something test so you can see it real quick. Let me not use the RSS feed actually, because that won't work unless I put a feed URL in there. So I'll use the Twitter feed. I'll just put tweet. Let me see, FP Youth Outcry. FP Youth Outcry. All right, so this now put some samples inside the test sidebar so you can see it once I activate it. Now, once you finish setting your sidebar up, however you want to set it up, whenever you do a new post or a new display or a new page, when you open it up, you're going to get options to select which sidebar you want to add to that particular display. I'm sorry, with the post you don't get that option. It just does your default sidebar. With your display or with your pages, you get options to select which particular sidebar you want to use. For the most part, you don't use the post option very much. Most of your things on your website are displays or pages. So you click on your pages, you go to add new page, which is where we're at. I actually just went to one of your current pages, your annual reports page. And you just pretty much scroll down to where you see custom sidebar, open a drop down menu, and you select whatever sidebar you want to select. I'm going to select the test sidebar, which is the one we just made. You also need to be aware that if you have your template set to a full page, no sidebar option, obviously there's going to be no sidebar. So this is pretty much null and void. You need to make sure if you want to put a sidebar that your page is set to a default template. That's the template with the sidebar. So I'm going to click Update, and we're going to click View Page just so you can see that's the sidebar. This was just a real quick, I just threw it together so it looks a little unorganized and a little bit cheesy, but that's pretty much the gist of how you set up a new sidebar. You're going to want to make your sidebars look a little more presentable, but that was just a tutorial to show you how to use the sidebars. All right, we'll see you in the next video.